How does a cow sound like in space compared to how it sounds on Earth? But before we start, like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space content. First, let's see how it sounds on Earth.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now, how does it sound in space? The sound of the cow could not be heard because sound requires a medium, such as air, to travel through. In the vacuum of space, where there is no air or any other medium, there is no medium for sound waves to propagate, making it impossible for us to hear the moo of a cow or any other sound in the vastness of space.